Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts, and smartphone aficionados, today I am thrilled to introduce a device that redefines the boundaries of mid-range smartphones, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro. A leap in performance. At the heart of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, complemented by up to 12 GB of RAM and an additional 12 GB of virtual RAM. This powerhouse configuration ensures seamless multitasking, fluid gaming experiences, and efficient performance across applications. Immersive display. The device boasts a 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This combination delivers vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling, enhancing both entertainment and productivity. Photography. Redefined photography enthusiasts will appreciate the dual rear camera setup, a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, and a 32MP ultra-wide lens. The front houses a 32MP camera, perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. The device supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring crisp and detailed footage. Battery and charging. Equipped with a substantial 7,000 mAh battery, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro supports 120W fast charging, capable of charging the device to 50% in just 15 minutes and fully in approximately 33 minutes. Additionally, it offers 7.5W reverse charging, allowing it to power other devices on the go. Design and build. Despite its large battery, the device maintains a sleek profile, measuring 8.09 mm in thickness and weighing 206 g. It features an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance, ensuring durability in various environments. Software and connectivity. Running on Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15, the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro offers a user-friendly interface and the latest software features. Connectivity options include 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth version 5.4, NFC, and an IR blaster, catering to a wide range of user needs. Conclusion. The iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro stands as a testament to iQOO's commitment to delivering high-performance smartphones at competitive prices. With its robust hardware, impressive display, advanced camera system, and rapid charging capabilities, it is poised to make a significant impact in the smartphone market. Thank you for your attention.